Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do my French gel nails on myself. So if you'd like to see, keep watching. Start off by pushing back the eponychium with a cuticle pusher. I'm using a Young Nails medium safety bit to remove existing gel polish. I wear a dust mask and use my Valentino dust extractor. So with my electronic nail file on medium speed, I remove the product with minimal pressure. Speed of my nail drill is about 50%. Rotate the bit from the front third to the center to the back third as you move across the nail. Turn your hand and move the drill bit from right to left. It's on forward, so if you're right-handed, that's great. Switch to reverse when following in the opposite hand. Use a 100 grit hand file to buff the cuticle area and remove any cuticle which is on the nail plate. And then file the rest of the nail to further smooth. Then dust off your product, paying close attention to removing the dust from the cuticle and sidewall areas. So I'm using CND Scrubfresh to thoroughly cleanse the nail plate of debris. Apply CND Nailfresh to dehydrate the exposed natural nail area. Apply Akzentz Affixit and let it dry. Try not to get this on your skin. So I'm using my Young Nails Pro Gel Sculptor number 6 flat brush. So this is Akzentz Adhere. So I place the gel on top of the nail and use a scrubbing motion to push the product into the nail, especially around the cuticle area where there's exposed natural nail, and cure. I'm now using CND Brisa hard gel in neutral pink opaque. Take a good sized scoop and place near the cuticle area. Just use a gentle pillowing motion to ease the product up to the cuticle area, but not touching it. Feather it towards the side walls. And drag the product down to the sides, making sure that most of it remains in the center of the nail to form the apex. And cure. So using the stringy end of the gel, form a smile line and go back and forth along the smile line, depositing more product as you go. We want to build this area up so that we have plenty of height to drill the smile line in later on. Cure and cleanse. So I'm now using an X-cut drill. I carefully deep cut along the smile line. And then remove the excess product from the free edge. Just try and get it as nice and smooth as you can. So you're forming a ledge there. So further refine the smile line with a 100 grit file. So using CND Pure White Opaque, I apply the first thin layer of white on the free edge. Push the white right up onto the smile line. Now this first layer can't be too thick or it won't cure. So I'm now applying my second layer of white. Once again, right up to the smile line, right into the side walls. So using the safety bit, file over the pink ledge and the white to shape. And be careful not to file into the existing apex you've already created. So when you file this off, you'll see a nice crisp smile line appear, like magic. So as you can see, I'm going in the opposite direction just to give a nice smooth shape, keeping that apex in position. So use the same bit to shape underneath the nail, just so you get a nice C-curve back. Hand file around the cuticle area and sidewalls to refine the shape even more. So I go from 100 grit to 180 grit. And then down to a block buffer. So you've got nice smooth nails. And cleanse before you apply the top coat. This is a no wipe top coat, so once it's cured, there's no need to wipe it off. So finally apply some cuticle oil. So if you enjoyed my video on my French gel nails, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.